Hello friends, welcome back. This is my 14th video number 14, and don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? So today I'm going to discuss about linear programming. So these are the two equations before you and one objective one. So 2x plus y is less than equal to 104 and x plus 2y less than equal to 76. While the objective function is 6x plus 11y. Obviously, the objective function is a maximized one, okay? So make sure that it is a maximized one. What it means? It means that we have to fit the values of x and y which will satisfy the other two equations, that is 104 and 76. At the same time, it will maximize the values of 6x plus 11y. Okay? Clear? So let's start. Before getting indulged into the main calculations, make sure that you must be having, see over here, data. At data you must be having, I clicked and see this solver. Okay? If you are not having the solver, you cannot solve this problem, at least in Excel. So what you are required to do is to upload the same. I am not asking to download. It is an inbuilt function and that will be uploaded. If you don't know, that will be done in my next video. Okay. So right now I am focusing on with the assumption that you are having this solver with you in this data function. And now let's start. So here I have written x, y and 0, 0 and assumed figures. You can put any figure 1, 2, 3, 4, anyone. And then the objective one, 6, 11. Why the 6, 11? This is the 6 and 11. So that has been put over here. And 2, 1, 1, 2. This is 2, 1 and y 1 and then 2. Okay. So these are the values. I have simply put it from these two equations. Now, here we are starting. What is this? This is the objective function and I am going to use a formula over here. Equals sum, S-U-M, sum product, P-R-O-D-U-C-T, sum product, bracket open, and what is sum product? See what has been written over here, array 1. So array 1, 0, 0, comma, and then this one, 6 and this. Okay, clear, bracket closed and enter. So it is 0, 0. Why it is 0, 0? Let's have a check. 0 multiplied by 6 gives rise to 0. 0 multiplied by 11, 0. And then 0 plus 0 makes it 0. Perfectly okay. Clear? Now, moving on to this function. This one. Again, this has been derived with the same sum product. Equals sum, S-U-M product, P-R-O-D-U-C-T. Perfect spelling. Bracket open. Now this needs to multiply the values of x and y. These x and y. Freeze it. Function F4 to freeze. So here a dollar, comma, and then this 2 and 1 side adjacent one. Okay. Bracket closed. Enter. 0. Again come to this one if you don't want. So just drag it. And here also the same function will come into play. See over here, have the witnessing box. We are having the witnessing box. Sum product F8, G8, F14, G14. Got it? And similar is the second one. Here, the second one. And look over here, the formula again. F8, G8, that had been freeze. And now it is F15 and G15. Okay. Now come to this box. Less than equals to and 104, 76. From where it has been arrived? This has been arrived from this, the last two, the right hand side. 104, 76. That has been put over here. What is the idea? See the idea. If I am putting over here 1, what will happen? 1. And let's put up here 2. Okay. What happened? 6 1 the 6. 11 to the 22. And 6 plus 22 makes 28. Okay, perfectly okay. But see what is here. 4 is less than 104. Yes, that's correct. 5 is less than 176. That's also correct. But we need the values very much closer to 104, very much closer to 76. Clear? So if I am putting something here like 10, and then over here 20, suppose, or 25, what will happen? See, once again, 45 is less than 104 is satisfying the equation. 60 is less than 70, it is again satisfying the equation. But is that these two values x and y, are they the maximum one? Maximum one means the result is 335. Can there be anything which is more than 335? Keeping these two constant also in the correct way. Let's suppose, let's put it 20. What will happen? Enter. Again, now it has increased and all the constants are still correct. Let's suppose, let's put it up 30. What will happen? Still, oh, this one went wrong. 80 is not less than 76. Okay, we have got a greater value, but one of the constant is not correct. So now the problem arises that how many times we are going to do this? It will take enormous time. To minimize that time, we need the power of solver. Okay, so let's go to solver. How it will be done? So data, here is the data, and I'm going towards solver. Yes, I found the solver. Click, window will open. Set target cell. Set target cell means what is the objective cell? The objective one. So it is the objective cell. So click it. Okay. Make sure maximize. Click maximize. Then changing the cells. Changing the cells means which cells I want the values in which cells. I want the values of x and y. So these two will be clicked. Okay. Now I'm deleting this one so that it would be easy to you. Now go to add cell reference. Now what is a cell reference? Cell reference means which needs to be changed. These are the two constants. These two select. Go to this one. Less than equal is already there. The constant ones. These are two constants. 176. Select them and OK. Then go to options. It should be like this only. Assume linear model and these are the values. That will be already there. Don't need to make any changes except make sure that it is linear model. Okay. Now OK. And once again go to here solve. So let's see. Key restore. Okay. And the values is 44 and 16. So 44 and 16 will give you the maximum value, that is 440. And again, these are satisfying the equations also. Clear? So hope so that you would understand this and you will get into more and more figures. More figures means that I have experimented with two equations. You will surely experiment with more than 2, 3, 4, 5 equations and also with different signs. Thank you.